Happy holidays, everyone. Today we're going to talk about some really cool gifts that a techie person like me might want for the holidays this year. Let's start with something simple, gift cards, specifically for gaming and music. We need these subscription passes to play online, and if you don't have to pay for them, all the better. PlayStation gift cards, Xbox and PC Game Pass are great presents. The same goes for Steam gift cards. If you don't know what Steam is, think of Steam as the App Store, but for video games. This is pretty nice because you don't have to worry about which version of the game you have to buy. But one important note, Steam games are PC only. You cannot buy Xbox or PlayStation games there. Last but not least, a music subscription. Not paying for Spotify Premium or Apple Music for a few months, or even a year, makes the music sound that much sweeter. Now how about some stocking stuffers? Now if you want to buy a physical gift because you think gift cards are lame, I suggest Apple AirTags, because if you're like me, perhaps maybe you lose track of some of your stuff all the time. So having these little babies is a total dream. The great thing here is there's no subscription fee. You just sync them to your phone and they're ready to go. The next gift I recommend is a wireless Qi charger for newer phones. These always come in handy, and between you and me, you just can't have enough of them around your house. Also, consider Xbox and PlayStation controllers, or even some RGB strips for cool lighting. If you can afford to spend a bit more money, you can join the $100 Club. Gift ideas in the $100 range. If you want good sound when you're streaming or trying to be the next YouTube star, a good mic is a great start. The Blue Yeti is a broadcast quality mic offering a rugged design and multiple recording modes to suit your needs. It comes in 4 colors, silver, midnight blue, white, and my favorite, blackout. If they already have a good sound setup, the next best thing to upgrade is the webcam. Now there are tons of choices and it depends how much you want to spend, but an upgrade to a 1080p or even a 1440p will make any techie smile. Smart home pods also make a great gift, and you can usually pick them up at your favorite retail store. The HomePod is great if they're into Apple, the Google Nest Hub Max if they're a Google fan, and of course, any of the Echoes if they're all in with Amazon. Now, if you've got cash to spend and want to go the extra mile, bookshelf speakers are a great way to upgrade any setup. The sound and dynamic range really enhance the listening experience, whether you're gaming or watching YouTube. Here are a few to be on the lookout for. The Klipsch R51PM retails for $599, but does go on sale, so look for that. Those are the ones that I have. The ELAC Debut 2.0 B6.2 retails for $399. Again, those do go on sale. And the Audio Engine A2 Plus are only $269, which is a pretty good deal. If you want to go bigger, you can always go for the crowd pleaser, a video game console. There's really 2 options here. The Xbox Series X, which is Microsoft's newest gaming system. But be careful when buying an Xbox. There's lots of options and you want to make sure you're getting the newest system they have to offer. The next system is a little easier to identify, if you can find one. It's the Sony PlayStation 5, otherwise known as the PS5. But there are 2 versions. One can play discs, you remember those old things, and the other is an all-digital version, no disc player. One's not better than the other, it just depends if your loved one has games on disc they want to play. Either way, if you can get your hands on any PS5, I'm sure they'll be happy. And now, for the creme de la creme of presents, the almighty graphics card. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, this bad boy gives the ultimate experience for gaming. Loaded with 24 gigabytes of G6X memory, having this in your system will make you the envy of the entire neighborhood. It's priced at $1,600, so this is a gift that will ensure you have that special someone's attention until the end of time. If you're feeling extra generous, I wouldn't mind one of those as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, and if you have other gift suggestions, drop them in the comments below. And as always, if you're looking to get your IT career started, or just want to browse around our library, sign up for a free CBT Nuggets trial. Explore our courses, take practice exams, and get studying for those certifications.